Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TOSCIDO X109 to Nokia device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Then you need to open it. I already did that on Toshiba because it was taking ages to download, so I can open it right away. And from this screen here, tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and finally allow. Then do exactly the same on the Nokia. I just need to rotate my tablet. Okay, and now I need to click I accept, confirm, continue, and allow on Nokia as well. Finally, after that, you need to select receive on Nokia smartphone and send on tablet. Then tap on all of those dots and choose send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to transfer all of them now, so I will go with only maybe those photos. Choose send and tap on got it. Now you need to select no thanks and close this window on Nokia, and as you can see, after that we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by selecting the scanning icon, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and choose receive. I'm sorry, a typo. And after that, as you can see, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!